Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to easily create a smart folder within Finder using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and the Finder which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to Finder, and now let's go to the top navigation menu, go to File. We now want to create a new smart folder. And then what we will do is start to search for folders that we wish to look into. So let's just say photos. File name contains photos, and then we also want to, let's just say, select photos from the month August 2025, and then what we can do is click on save. We see this prompt on screen that allows us to specify a name and location for the smart folder. Save as new smart folder dot saved search, where in the saved searches. We can also add this to the sidebar, which is quite convenient for ourselves as we are users of the sidebar. For any shortcut that we require, click on save, and there we have it. We want to replace an old saved search that was probably done for the purpose of some training for this video. And now let's close Finder. Go all the way down to the dock, again go to Finder, then go to new smart folder, and this is that saved search that we have that has filtered all the photos categories for the month August only. If we right click, we can open up in a new tab, show the enclosing folder, remove from sidebar, get information, rename, add to the dock. There it is, the new smart folder. Show search criteria, which can also be edited if we require that, but we can now quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.